Today we'll make a pizza.
You will need bread, cheese, tomato sauce, and other toppings. We used peppers, olives, and bacon.
First, take your bread and spread tomato sauce on it. Then, sprinkle some cheese on top. And then add your other toppings. We used bacon, peppers, and olives.
You don't have to use the same toppings as us. You could use chicken, pepperoni, different vegetables like corn or mushrooms. You can choose whatever toppings you like.
Then sprinkle any leftover cheese on top.
Now it's time to put the pizzas in the oven to cook. Put the pizzas on a clean tray and carefully put them into the oven. Ask an adult for help.
After about 10 minutes, take the pizzas out of the oven.
Yay! Your pizzas are ready to eat.
Enjoy!